proof anyone could hear in our hearts of hope for sound we barely understood. No, we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we know we could. There can be miracles when you believe. When you believe, though hope is frail, it's hard to keep. Who knows what miracles you can achieve? You can achieve when you believe. Somehow you will. You will when you believe. In this time of fear, when prayed so often, bruising burn, home seems like just another bird too swiftly flown away. You know I'm standing here, my heart's so full I can't explain, seeking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say. There can be miracles when you believe. When you believe, though hope is frail, it's hard to keep. Who knows what miracles you cannot see? You can't see when you believe. Somehow you will. You will when you they don't know what's happened when you ask her, and it's easy to give in to your fears. No, but when you're blinded by your pain, can't see your way clear through the rain. A small but still resilient voice says heaven's very near. There can be miracles when you believe. For hope is frail, it's hard to keep.